The long A sound can be spelled in different ways. A consonant E, A-I, A-Y, and the letter A, usually when it comes at the end of a syllable. So if we take a look at these, we have A-E, frame, escape, A-I, paid, remain, A-Y, gray, birthday, and then here is what I'm talking about where it comes at the end of a syllable. So we have gravy, 2 syllables, gray V. The reason why this is just an A is because that's at the end of the syllable. Paper, paper. Here's our 2 syllables, paper. That is why this is a long A sound. For the next part of this video, or this practice, you are going to need my word study book, and you are going to flip to the page that says Why Turtle Sleeps Through Winter. The first thing with this story that you're going to do is you're going to read it, but you're going to whisper read it because I want you reading it all out loud. That is what is going to help you with your reading fluency. So first read it. And then once you're done reading the story, you are going to go through this story and you're going to find all of the long A words. So if I look at this one right here, ago, that is my first long A word. So I'm going to circle it. Long ago, actually it's pronounced ago, ago. Turtle saw many birds flying away. Here's another long A. Where are you going? Shouted Turtle. 2 birds flew down to explain. All of these words have the long A sound. You're going to keep going and circle all of the long A words. Once you're done reading this, and then going through and circling all of the long A words, you're going to answer a few questions. And on the bottom of your story, there will be room to write your answers down here. The first question that you are going to answer is, why are the birds flying south for the winter? I want you to answer this question, write it down at the bottom of your page, and then highlight in the story where it helped you find that answer. Here's your next question. Why did Turtle need the birds' help? How did the birds solve the problem of transporting Turtle? Then find sentences to support your answer. Make sure you highlight that. All right, we're going to look at the story for one more thing. I underlined a word. The word that I underlined is refused. What does this word mean? I see a clue in the sentence that follows. Until they finally gave in. That clue tells me at first the birds must have said no or refused. So refuse means to say no to something. That makes sense. I now know what the word refused means. Here I underlined another word, luckily. It said Turtle landed hard and was shaking, but luckily he was okay. What do you think the word luckily means? I want you to underline this word and write that down at the bottom if there's still room down here. Write down what you think luckily means. Now I have a question for you. It says Turtle should have held on the stick, but he was careless and let go. What do you think this word careless means? What clues help you figure out what that word means? Write your answer at the bottom of the paper.